Today I'll show you what you can expect when you do a Movaia Running Form Analysis.
It all starts with recording a video of myself running. I'm using my mobile phone here. I could also have used a GoPro or similar. I'm recording 2 videos in slow motion, running from left to right and right to left, and then also recording a normal speed video.
Now that we have our videos in the can, I'll show in a few seconds how to turn them into a Movaia Running Form Analysis report and what the report looks like.
All right, I'm back home. I cut the videos so only the parts where I was running are actually visible. And I'm now uploading the 2 slow motion and the 1 natural speed video to movaia.com. So now I just have to wait for the reports to be ready. So just received an email indicating that the reports are ready, the videos have been processed. And in this email, I can find direct links to the reports, or I could go to the account section at movaia.com and then download the reports from there. In this case, let me click directly on the link. So here is the introductory section. We can download the slow motion videos with these cool overlays that indicate running form. We can also see my current level, which is level 1. So we'll see in a second why that is. That's the level 1 summary. So for every metric of level 1, we see the score here as well as the grading. And we also see a visual. So in this case, my step rate seems to be in the ideal range. Foot angle, workable, lean is a check. So that would explain why I'm currently at level 1. And posture is also within the ideal range. So let's dive into detail for one of the metrics, say foot angle. So each of the sections for an individual metric looks similar, starting with a description of why that metric is important and the impact on your running. We then get to see the ranges for check, workable, and ideal running form. And in this case, you can see that my score of -10 falls within the workable range. And also the photo here actually shows that I'm landing a bit too far on my forefoot. Now I get a separate analysis for my left and my right foot, both the visual as well as the text. So now the question is what to do about it. And here's the solution. There's a description of exercises, but then there's also a direct link to the exercise video explaining the video. So if I click here, then it brings me to the link to this exercise. Now going back to the report, you can see that this same structure that we just saw for foot angle also applies to all of the other metrics with the 3 different ranges, the visuals, and the exercises. And the report includes a training program that helps to get you quickly on a path to improvement. Again, every link here is clickable and brings you to the related exercise. Now, there's also a library of all the exercises for level 1 with more detailed descriptions here in case you do not want to go and check the video. And the what's next section describes how to take the findings of the report and then implement them in your daily training. The progress tracker is something I'm enjoying quite a bit. In this sample, I've only done 1 analysis. Had I done 2 or 3 more, I would see a trend here that shows me whether I'm progressing, stagnating, or even going backwards for any particular metric. So when you do this analysis every 2 to 4 weeks, it becomes a truly powerful tool. And it's something that's quite motivating to keep improving those metrics. That concludes the report pretty much. And here at the bottom, we have links to the movaia.com blog with running tips, articles on injuries, and so on, and the Movaia social media channels. So yeah, that was an overview over the level 1 running form report. Level 2, level 3 look similar in structure. So yeah, go check it out for free at movaia.com.